Want to give your child a head start in the world of finance? Let's break down how to open a Chase bank account for minors, setting them up for a future of smart saving and spending. First, understand the age requirement. Chase typically offers accounts for minors starting at age 6, with options like Chase First Banking. Parental involvement is crucial. A parent or legal guardian needs to be a owner on the account, and they'll need to have their own existing Chase account. Gather your documents. You'll need the parent or guardian's valid photo ID, like a driver's license or passport. Also, you'll need the child's social security number or individual taxpayer identification number item and proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. You can open the account online or in person at a Chase branch. Online is usually faster, but going to a branch allows you to ask questions directly. Either way, indicate that you are opening an account for a minor and will be the owner. Explore the features. Chase First Banking offers tools to help kids learn about budgeting, saving goals, and even earning allowance through chores. Parents can set spending limits and monitor transactions. And that's it. Opening a Chase account for your minor is a fantastic way to teach them financial responsibility early on. Be sure to check the description for links to Chase's website for the most up-to-date information and specific account details. Good luck!